How to screen record on MacBook Pro and Air. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how you can screen record on your Mac. Let's get started without wasting any time. First, open up the Finder application on your Mac. Now choose Applications from the sidebar menu. After that, open QuickTime Player. After opening the QuickTime Player, right-click on it and then click on New Screen Recording. The screen recording menu has come, and with the help of this menu, you can set your page as you want. After that, click on Record and your screen recording will start. Now you can record whatever you want. Now you can turn off the screen recording by clicking on this icon on the top right side. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.